Of the participants media of the electoral commission who have been in the field and doing all the work. Now it's the time to invite you, Lord Chair, to address the stakeholders and thereafter the group what you have to be. Lord Chair. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Everyone assembled here tonight in your welcome to the lineup of this important process that was started opening the government. On behalf of the Electoral Commission, on behalf of the Electoral Commission, and on my own behalf, I want to congratulate the people of the Kisoro district upon the successful completion of this by-election. At the launch of the program, the roadmap for this by-election, we as the Commission made an undertaking with the people of Kisoro that our role was to ensure that we hold an all-inclusive, transparent, free and fair by-election, where all eligible voters will be afforded an opportunity to exercise their constitutional right by freely voting for persons or candidates of their choice. And in so doing, we did emphasize the need to work together with the Commission, together with other stakeholders, so as to achieve the stated objective. Today, tens of thousands of voters lined up at the 322 polling stations across the district to cast their votes. I thank you, the people of Kisoro, for heeding the call of the Commission for Kisoro and order, remain calm, and uphold the peace prevailing in the district. We thank you. I also wish to thank the candidates who filed for all the elected positions in the district, for having conducted successful campaigns and ensuring that your supporters remain peaceful and holy there. Political parties who fronted the candidates also want to thank you for your participation and also working in the Commission to ensure this exercise conducted successfully. I wish to commend law enforcement agents for ensuring that an environment of tranquility prevails that enables the voter to exercise their right. My colleagues in the Commission and the staff of the Electoral Commission, I thank you for your commitment and professionalism that was exhibited throughout the implementation of the activities of the roadmap, culminating today's final activity. I urge ourselves to keep up that spirit and not to waver or divert. Also want to commend the observers, National Consultative Forum, Guillaume, and others for having participated and taken the observer role seriously. We await your reports for you to say as you saw. In a few minutes, the returning officer will be announcing the outcome of this election. I wish to appeal to the candidates who will emerge victorious in all the positions, to reach out their opponents, to heal the divisions that may have marked during this electoral process for the good of the people of Kisoro. I also want to thank the media. Thank you for informing the people of Uganda as what has been taking place in Kisoro. As we head towards the next general election, I wish to appeal to the people of Kisoro and the Uganda at large. Get the work and maintain peace and stability, which are invaluable in the quest for social economic transformation of our country. Finally, while the exercise was quite peaceful, there are a few reported incidents of suspected electoral criminality. For example, at Musanase polling station, Musanase sub-county, where there was alleged ballot stuffing. Even though the exercise is being concluded, I urge law enforcement to have that episode and any other that may have occurred to be thoroughly investigated so that the perpetrators are brought to book. It is high time we build family and decisively with electoral fraud and vandalism. Safeguard the growth of our democracy and try others who have such inclination. May God bless the people of Kisoro and the whole of Uganda. Thanks and goodness. Is your duty now to declare what you have. Thank you.
Being the returning officer for electoral district, having had a gap in number of votes cast, as reported complete determination of results from in accordance with section 72 of the Parliamentary Election Act, Act 177, declared that the total number of valid votes cast for the candidate are as follows. Akifeza Grace Ngabirano in favor 60,469. Chimpaye Aisha 50, 167. Ingabire Mable 56, 302. Kabagyeni NRM 44,982. Musanase Juliet SBC 193. Zubedi Sultan Salim 903. Total number of votes cast for candidates 97,006. Total number of rejected or invalid votes 1,061. Total number of ballot papers counted 98,117. Total number of paid ballot papers 249. Accordingly, as a returning officer of the electoral district, in accordance with section 72 of the Parliamentary Election Act, Part 177, declare Akifeza who has obtained the right of Uganda criminal and district criminal representative parliament.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.